Hello children, remember the thief story which I told you in my previous video? That was SSC board English Kumar Bharati book for high level, that is for English medium, unit 1, lesson number 2, the thief story. So I had explained the story in my previous video. So in this video, let us just go through the in-text questions, because this is the pattern according to which questions are going to come in your board exams. English workshop, complete the web diagram. This is a very common question. One or two web diagrams you can expect in every board English question paper. So web means there will be a central word given. Here the central word is Anil's virtue. Virtue means good qualities and its opposite is vice, which you can see here. You can see Hari's vice, which means bad qualities. As I had told you, Anil was a very good person. So he had many good qualities in him. So what were his good qualities? Let us see. You can write your own answer. But here I have given you kind-hearted, gentle, caring, and sympathetic. Hari's wise. What are the bad qualities of Hari's? He was a cheat, liar, crooked, and unfaithful. These are the 4 words which I have coined. You can also add in your own ideas. It's not a unique answer. These web diagrams don't have any unique answer. Any suitable word can be used, but that should be according to the character in your story. So next question, second. Question number 2. Insert the appropriate word phrase given. Insert the appropriate word or phrase given below in the sentences that follow. Fine. Flattery, appealing, by fits and starts, dashed to, undetected, and spirits rose. These are the words they have given you in the bracket. I think from grade 1 you have been doing such questions in which you will get a bracket with words which you have to choose and fill in the blanks. So I dashed the school gate when I heard the school bell ring. Let me see here what I have given you. That is for the second one here. I dashed to the school gate when I heard the school bell ring. Okay, so dash to is hurried up. Okay, hurried up to that. The second question, after the death of my pet dog, my dash when dad got me a new pup, my spirits rose. I became very excited. It means. Do not stoop to flattery. Flattery means false praise. झूठी तारीफ करना. The artist completes his paintings. We saw that Anil earns his money by fits and starts. I told you that he doesn't get a fixed income, but sometimes he earns and sometimes he doesn't. Same way, an artist also earns in the similar way and completes his painting in the similar way. It takes a lot of time to complete that art, so you can't imagine that a guy would sit the whole month without eating or drinking or doing any other activity. So here that is by fits and starts. The crime went dash for 11 years. 11 साल तक वो क्राइम पकड़ा नहीं गया. ठीक है, तो उसका है यहाँ पर for that undetected. Okay, the crime went undetected for 11 years. When the baby saw its mother, it gave an appealing smile. The sixth answer you can see there in the sticky note. Appealing smile. Find from the text collocation for the following. Collocation means the word which can easily make you identify it there, the word which is related to the given word. But it should be from your passage. When they ask you for collocations, you can't use your own words. They should be from your given passage only. Whether it is seen passage or unseen passage, it should be from your given passage. First, let us read the question. Dash dog, dash man, ticket dash, dash slowly, dash drizzle, dash sentences, dash spirits. Stray dog. The second one I have left it for you. It is a greedy man actually. Let me type it. You can write it yourself. It's a greedy man. Somehow that didn't get typed. Greedy, greedy. Because in your book, the mention of a man is a greedy man. At the end, when Hari starts thinking about the reactions of different people he has been robbing till date, so he thinks of a greedy man. Ticket counter. Dash slowly, crawled slowly. Dash drizzle, light drizzle. Dash sentences, whole sentences. You can't write half sentences because in your passage it is whole sentences. Dash spirits. There is no exact word there, so you have to make a present participle form there. The spirits rose, so you have to write rising spirits. There is where you have to apply your skills. Complete the compound words from the story. Compound words are the words which have two words in them. Two words are combined together in that to make a new word, like armloads, as you saw in 9th standard. Lots of compound words at the end of Swiss Family Robinson story. Same way here, oil lamp, 50 rupee, easy going, clock tower. It can be watchtower also, but I think in your passage it was clock tower. Please cross check. Moonlight, lamp, rupee, going, clock, light. And also check in your passage properly. Whenever you write a compound word like this from the passage, check in the passage properly which word has a hyphen there and which one does not have a hyphen, which one has a space and which one does not have a space in between. While copying from the passage, you have to copy those words as they are. Pick out from the story 3 or 4 examples of code mixing, Indian words used in English. So I found 2. Find out the other yourself. Maidan, pajama, and please find out the other words, whichever are there. Need not be that the same word comes in your exam. So you just have to know that code mixing means the Indian words which are coined in the English passage, because Maidan here is not an English word. It has no connection with the English language, but it is a colloquial usage. It is used by the local people. So the word Maidan is coined by the writer, and pajama. Ruskin Bond has coined it. Who's the writer? Ruskin Bond, right? Now total number of characters. How many total number of characters would be there? The total number of characters is 2. The names of those 2 characters. What are the names of those 2 characters? Hari, Singh, and throughout your story you don't discover Anil's surname. Hari had just made a false one though, but we have to use that name which is used in this story. Hari Singh, you can put a comma there, or you can write 1 Hari Singh and 2. Hari Singh, comma, Anil. Only two characters are there, main characters in your story. So the age, 15 years and 25 years. So please specify that Hari Singh is 15-year-old and Anil is 25-year-old. Sometimes you have to be more appropriate. You have to supply the necessary details there which are not asked in the question. That helps you a lot. Cultivate that habit of giving in that extra touch to your questions. Like they have not asked you the name of the people again, but please mention here that Hari, at least in short form, you mention Hari, 15 years, and the next one is Anil, was 25 years old. Physical appearance, both of them were quite clean, but Anil had no scars on the face and Hari Singh had some scars on the face. That physical appearance is given at the beginning of your passage, which I had already told you in your previous video. To be short, I will give you one answer here, but you have to use all the terms which is there in the given passage whenever you write your answers for your board exams. Don't miss out anything that is given in the passage. And anything which is given indirectly to, which you can apprehend from that, which you can understand from that, observe from that, and cognite from that, conclude from that passage, all the words have to be coined there. You can't skip any point, you can't miss out any point, because if it is a 1 mark question, it will be divided into 4 subparts if there are 4 words. You would be getting 1/4 mark only if you use 1 point out of 4 points. So here, whatever I remember, I will write that for you. But while solving your passages, you have to be very careful. Use all the words that are used in your passage. Physical appearance. So again, we can give a short idea there whom we are describing. Anil. Anil is lean, young, because he doesn't have any lines on his face. Hari. Hari is also quite lean, but has scars on his face. Earned money by. So you all know how they both earned money. Hari earned by robbing people. Actually, by is not required there because they have already given earned money by. So let me cut off that by. Sometimes they even cut your marks if you are not to the point. And how did Anil? By writing for magazines. Okay, again, I'm not writing by there. We'll directly come to the answer, short answer. Writing for magazines and writing books. Qualities. You can write the qualities which we wrote there for the virtue and the vice. The same qualities you can write here. Complete the given sentences that we can do orally here because they are long. Anil kept Hari as a cook because these complete the sentences. Sometimes they are not directly from the textbook. So that directly from the passage. First, you have to read your passage well. Since we have read the lesson in our previous video, we know very well that such a sentence is not given directly. You have to make its answer. You have to form its answer, compose it. Okay. So Anil kept Hari as a cook because there may be more than one or two ways of describing it. I can also write that because Hari insisted that Anil gives him a job. Or we can also write because Hari promised him that he knows how to cook. We can combine both of them too because Hari was desperately in need of a work and approached Anil for it. And he said a lie that he can cook. Hari was grateful. Why was Hari grateful? Hari was grateful because Anil taught him how to write words. Anil also taught him how to cook. Hari continued making money from the daily supplies. Money from the money he got for the daily supplies. Anil didn't hand. You can also write Hari continued making money from the daily shopping of the supplies. Then Anil didn't hand Hari over to the police because Anil was a kind-hearted man and he knew that Hari now trusted him and wanted to be with him. He wanted to give him a second chance. There can be many ways for writing it. The moral of the story is that be good to others. You can write be good to others. You can write goodness is always rewarded. You can write your own thoughts as well. Write a character sketch of Hari Singh with the help of the following points using a paragraph format. They would have given you the points, and please keep in mind that while writing a paragraph based on that, you have to cover up all these points. Hari Singh's background. He had been stealing. Throughout his life, he made money by stealing. He used to gain others' trust. When they started trusting him, he used to rob his masters and leave. He used to change his name frequently so that he's not caught by police. He used to hide his identity and nobody actually knew his real name except he himself. His dishonesty, he was a very dishonest person. He could even bring himself to rob Anil, who had been so kind to him and who had also taught him to read and write. His aspirations. His aspirations were to become an educated man. It was that he never got a chance to get educated. His aspiration was to become an educated man, to learn how to read and how to write whole sentences. His courage to change. He had a chance. He had all the money which Anil had kept under his mattress. It was 600 rupees, which was quite a lot of money during those days, and he could have lived a life of an oil-rich merchant for 2 weeks, or an oil-rich Arab. That word there I remember. That should be oil-rich. Please check in your book. I have given you oil lamp. I don't think oil lamp is there. Oil-rich is there in your book. Hari Singh's background. What is Hari Singh's background? We saw his dishonesty, we saw his aspirations, we have seen his courage to change himself. Though he still had the ways open to be a thief, to continue robbing others, to continue cheating others, and he was quite expert at deceiving others. The fact that learning whole sentences could help him earn money of his own, which he could call his own without any fear, prompted him, induced him to be a good person, to return back to Anil, to learn how to cook, how to read whole sentences and write whole sentences, and find a future by writing. His courage to change himself. So that is it. So cover up all the points and don't elongate it too much. If it is Hari's background, don't write just 15, 20 sentences about Hari's background, just stretching it like that. That also gives a bad impression. Your answer should be to the point, as short as necessary and even as long as necessary. You can't end it up in all these words which are already given. You have to elaborate a little bit on each point. Same WH questions for the answers below. I hurried back to the room. Always the WH question is framed according to the what part of the sentence is given in underline. To the room. To the room is a place. So where did you hurry back? Answer is I. So in question it would be you. You have to imagine a question for which the following sentences would be an answer. Where did he hurry? Did you hurry back? I hurried back to the room. I had made a study of men's faces. Okay, so here men's faces, of men's faces. What had you made a study of? I drew them out without a sound. How did you draw them out? The poor man showed acceptance. Who showed acceptance? Sorry, we can't say what did the poor man show, because showed acceptance is not underlined here. What is being underlined is the poor man here, the subject. So you have to use the predicate in your question. Finally, who showed acceptance? Who showed acceptance? I made a tea in the morning. So what is underlined there? In the morning. In the morning is a time. So you will use the word when. When did you make tea? So these big activities are almost omitted and they hardly come. They are for the writing skill. Writing skills you can practice in the language section. Imagine that Anil catches Hari red-handed when Hari is stealing the money from under the mattress. Compose a short dialogue between the two, which reflects Anil's shock and Hari's repeated apologies. So this is an imaginative dialogue. You have to imagine that when at the point Hari was stealing that money, he was caught by Anil, and what would be Anil's reaction? So, you know, dialogue writing, you have to name the characters, and here you can't change the characters. You have to use the same characters, Anil and Hari. So guys, this was the in-text questions of lesson number 2, the thief story for SSC 2020. See you again soon with another lesson, the lesson 3rd. Thank you. Have a nice day.